Hello.
Hey guys.
We are going to chug and burp if we can. Okay. Comment bonus cheese for
Bonus cheese.
bonus cheese.
I'm not even sure if I'm gonna burp. It took me so long to burp.
I know. Comment bonus cheese if you think we're good at this. Fail. I like gulped it. I don't even like pop. I bet I could have burped like 10 ABCs there.
Having fun there?
Yeah, sure.
I can't burp.
I have a headache right now.
I can't even burp. You have to chug this whole thing to burp.
I can't do it.
I can either. But
I can't do C. E, I guess. Oh. Don't puke.
if you could stop making me laugh when I'm drinking. I have a chubby chin. I don't like that.
Bill. Some there hate pop. I really hate pop. Oh, my neck's pounding. Go Sprite.
Sprite. Oh my gosh. I have a big bubble stuck in my throat.
How come I can't have big ones? Like long big ones.
I only have it when I'm not filming myself.
I can do it on purpose.
You're a P-I-G pig.
What?
You're a P-I-G pig.
Okay. No. Only when I want to pee.
I feel like I'm gonna, there's gonna be a big one that's gonna come out when I stop it. I swear. Or just puking.
My stomach hurts. I can't drink any more pop.
Me too, it's like right up here. Wait.
Here, I'll hit you in the stomach if you think that'll help.
Whoa!
I've made
She hit
Hallie
me.
gag.
We cannot see that. Live, love, laugh.
Here. Ready?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Not working. Almost. I just heard my stomach like.
Ready?
No.
Okay. I bet I can make you throw up if I really try. I'm not gonna. Well, you get that from Courtney. But remember, remember, bonus cheese if you think we're good.
It won't. It's gonna come out in like mini bubbles everywhere. God.
Ready?
Yeah. That didn't work.
Dang it. I'm sick.
I don't like burping because
Quilted square.
awesome. This is just awesome. This is.
At least I don't like burping. Pizza Town. Shut it down.
Woo!
Fail. Mine
Yes.
were all fails though.
I love burping, even if I'm a girl. I love burping.
I really had bigger burps. There was one I did in class by accident where like, bruh!
Okay, shout out to all my peoples out there.